This is a unique product designed for outdoor enthusiasts and campers, the ECOeshiner table, equipped with a built-in solar panel. Using state-of-the-art technology, this 4-pound table can hold up to 22 pounds, is easily foldable and is protected against short circuits, overheating and overcharging. Originally invented in Hong Kong, it has been adapted to suit customers worldwide and is resistant to temperatures ranging from -4 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The table is also protected against both fresh and salt water and is scratch and rust resistant. A compass, thermometer, and 2 USB ports are built in, along with 2 waterproof pouches for small items. The price of this innovative product starts at $130. French designers have also entered the market of outdoor gear with a multi-purpose device called KAPTREK. This device aims to streamline the gadgets that outdoor enthusiasts carry by combining multiple functions into one device. The IP67 rated case is resistant to shocks, water, and dust, and offers features such as GPS connectivity with GLONASS and Galileo, route planning and tracking, manual and automatic SOS alerts with location sharing, piloting drones, controlling action cameras, and making and receiving calls. The device can operate in temperatures ranging from -4 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit and can last up to 8 hours on a single charge. It weighs a mere 5.3 ounces, making it easy to carry around. If interested, the device is available for purchase at a cost of $315. If you're looking for a versatile axe with a range of functions, you might want to check out Klecker Knives' KLAX Lumberjack. This US-based company has come up with a reinvented tomahawk that's packed with features. Apart from the axe and hammer, this multi-tool comes with a carabiner, ruler, bit holder, bottle opener, scraper, and wrenches. There are 4 models to choose from, each with its own set of functions. The main material used is Japanese 420J2 steel or titanium, and there are various handle options available. Plus, the universal screw mounting system allows you to fix the axe on any shaft of the appropriate diameter. The KLAX Lumberjack is about 6.3 inches long and 3.7 inches high, making it compact and easy to carry. However, it does come with a hefty price tag of around $140. If you're an avid traveler or camper, or even a gardener looking to purify water for your plants, the LifeSaver Jerrycan might just be the perfect portable water purifier for you. Its convenient Jerrycan form makes it easy to carry wherever you go. The manufacturer offers several different models, one of which is the 10,000 UF. This model boasts an impressive capacity of 650 gallons and can eliminate 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. The Jerrycan also comes with a special activated carbon disc to help eliminate bad tastes and odors. Each disc can handle up to 132 gallons of water. With a capacity of approximately 5 gallons and weighing in at around 9 pounds, the LifeSaver Jerrycan is a practical and versatile choice for all your water purification needs. Additionally, you can purchase a shower head as an optional accessory, which can make this product even more useful. The 10,000 UF model is available for purchase at $325. If you're someone who loves spending time outdoors, you know how pesky mosquitoes can be. Traditional solutions like sprays and creams may not always be the most effective or convenient option. Enter Light Repel, a compact, plug-in mosquito repellent that you can attach to your keychain. This Hong Kong-based project raised over $156,000 on Indiegogo, despite being a simple device. The manufacturers claim that it takes just 30 seconds to start working and has a range of 10 to 30 feet. However, keep in mind that it needs a constant power supply. On the plus side, it's just 1.9 by 3.9 inches in size and weighs only 1.5 ounces. At a price point of $35, whether or not to invest in this device is entirely up to you. When it comes to outdoor activities, tents are an essential item, and one that's worth discussing is the Oztent ULS 1. This model's standout feature is its lightness, weighing just 6 pounds. It's perfect for cyclists, bikers, and other two-wheeled enthusiasts. The tent was designed and tested in Australia, where it has proven to be a reliable option for outdoor adventurers. One of the most interesting features of the Oztent ULS-1 is the no-seam system, which is a large window with a removable net that also serves as an entrance. With this system, you can comfortably enjoy the starry sky without having to worry about pesky insects bothering you. The SGS system also makes it easy to install the tent on soft ground. Furthermore, the manufacturer guarantees that the tent is 100% water resistant and has excellent ventilation. This means that you'll stay dry even in the rain and won't have to worry about feeling stuffy inside. All of these great features can be yours for just $330. If you're in need of a small, yet reliable knife, you might want to check out PocketShiv from the US-based company, SS Precision. Initially developed for police and military personnel, this tiny knife is now popular among everyday users who need a sharp tool handy. Despite its size, PocketShiv weighs only 1.1 ounces, including the sheath, and measures 2.5 inches long. It's so compact that you can attach it to your keychain, backpack, or simply carry it in your pocket. The blade, made of durable 440C stainless steel, is only 1.05 inches long, but it gets the job done. The handle is made of rubberized plastic, and there's a lanyard hole, too. Plus, you can choose from various colors. If you're interested, you can buy PocketShiv for around $44. When you're out and about, having a good meal can be a great way to cap off a day of activities. If you're a cooking enthusiast looking for a camping kitchen, the Swedish-made Primetech Stove Set is definitely worth checking out. This compact set weighs about 2.2 pounds and comes with a burner, 2 cooking vessels, 2 trays, a lid with a built-in colander, a stand, and a universal handle. 2 versions are available: 0.3 gallons for 1 to 3 people and 0.6 gallons for 2 to 5 people. The set also comes with a gas regulator and wind guard, which can help you save up to 50% on fuel. Plus, it helps save extra space in your bag or backpack. There's also a special insulated storage bag to keep your food hot. The price tag for this set is $197, which may seem steep, but it's a great investment for those who love to cook while camping or on the go. The Selk'bag company has come up with an innovative way to reimagine the traditional sleeping bag by making it wearable. The concept was born in Chile, a country renowned for its stunning landscapes and adventurous spirit. The company offers a diverse range of models, all with the same basic idea: a few simple adjustments can transform it from a suit into a sleeping bag and vice versa. One such model is the Selk'bag Nomad, which comes with removable padded booties to keep your feet warm, elastic armholes, an adjustable insulated hood with a face mask, and ventilation holes. The Primer Loft synthetic insulation ensures you stay warm, while the shell is made of recycled polyester. Weighing in at between 3.4 and 4.6 pounds, this model has a comfort temperature of 44 degrees Fahrenheit and an extreme temperature of 35 degrees Fahrenheit. The Selk'bag collection has different models available at various price points, with the Nomad costing $269. This innovative and practical solution is perfect for those who love the outdoors and want to stay comfortable and warm, whether hiking or camping. Talking about alternative sources of energy, solar panels are often mentioned, but what about on days when the sun isn't shining? This is where Shine Turbine comes in. Developed by a Canadian company, this portable wind turbine can generate energy from wind speeds as low as 8 miles per hour. The energy is stored in a 12,000 mAh battery, which includes 2 built-in USB ports for charging gadgets. The turbine is also equipped with battery and temperature indicators for easy monitoring. What sets the Shine Turbine apart is its compactness, as it is only 13.8 inches long and weighs 2.9 pounds, making it easy to fold and install within 2 to 3 minutes. It comes at a price of around $500. Back in the early 1950s, the American company DuPont developed a versatile material called Mylar. This material has proven to be incredibly useful in many different applications, from improving packaging technology to being a key component in the development of NASA's S-7L spacesuit. We want to show you the Surviveware emergency Mylar blanket, which is made of this very same material. For convenience, the blanket comes in two colors, green and silver. The silver side is particularly useful in retaining up to 90% of your body heat, while the green side retains 65%. Additionally, the blanket offers good windproofing properties to keep you warm and cozy in all weather conditions. The blanket measures 52 by 82 inches, making it large enough to wrap around yourself or another person, and it's designed to be reusable. The set of 5 blankets is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at only 1.6 ounces, so you can easily take them with you on long hikes or camping trips. Overall, the Surviveware Emergency Mylar Blanket Set is a practical and affordable choice for anyone who needs to stay warm and comfortable in the great outdoors. The set of 5 blankets is available for purchase at just $15. Zippo, an American company known for producing over 500 million lighters, has expanded its product line to include some interesting items, such as the SureFire Paracord. This innovative product is a 50-foot-long cord consisting of 8 strands. The cord is coated with a special ignition compound, making it highly versatile. Every inch of the red cord can provide about 30 seconds of burning time, enough to light up to 600 campfires. The SureFire Paracord also comes with a handy carabiner, although the manufacturer warns that it is not suitable for rock climbing. However, it is incredibly useful for a variety of tasks around the campsite, such as serving as a clothesline or a substitute for a shoelace. This product weighs only 6.4 ounces and costs just $13.